And over this fixture, with several, the Italian right-back who has been signed on loan from Roma. And moving forward, here he is again. Neymar's pass into the box, and it's been nicely brought down as well. The forward Benedetto left out, and the extra midfielder Maxim Lopez coming in. But you can understand it in some respects when you consider what has happened in the last 10 years. The PSG really struggled to create chances against Lens on Neymar and Di Maria are out on the pitch. Here is Neymar. Oh, it's a bad mistake from Caleta-Car. And a free kick, and again, the PSG players remonstrating in front of the referee, Jérôme Brizard. A yellow card for Sakai. Goalkeeper making his 425th Ligue 1 appearance. Both. It is Neymar, and it's into the wall. The Italian crossing early to Neymar. Tovan trying to play Sakai in. Neymar now for PSG. Navarrete. Good ball from him. Possibilities here as Neymar jinks into the box. Lopez finds Tovan, but it's all a bit intricate, and PSG win it back. Now Neymar. Rongier with the foul on Neymar. Neymar has been Neymar with a nutmeg on Rongier. There was that. Can the 28-year-old find it's Neymar, it's through the wall. Great ball. Neymar now. Neymar's got Sarabia and Herrera in the middle, and another attempted nutmeg. Sakai. Leon says the referee. Neymar gets away from one. Neymar with a lovely ball to Herrera into the middle, and Mandanda with the save. Oh, it's the second breathtaking save from Steve Mandanda tonight. Super Ligue 1 start tonight. Neymar again. He is very... Now Neymar. Neymar in the box! Boy, believe it. Let's have a look at this Neymar shot. Yes, Mandanda with his legs. He's having a good night so far, Mandanda. It was a deflected shot as well. Now Neymar. Neymar going past his man and drawing another foul. Good ball from Bernat. Now the cross, and surely, oh, it's wide. Oh, Neymar so close to the leveller. Nicely worked up this left-hand side. Bernat to Sarabia. Sarabia's cross was beautiful. And Neymar just a fraction short. Got something on it, but... Sarabia to Neymar. Well played by Neymar for Florenzi. Florenzi up against Amavi. A man over, it's Bernat, and it's Neymar. Well, they were queuing up for PSG. Good football, the two full-backs combining. Florenzi for Bernat. Pounded by Rongier, still finds Neymar. Neymar. Nicely played for Di Maria. Neymar, brilliant. Neymar still going. Oh, and it's broken. Is that an offside? No. Surely. Oh. Guys not to come. Alvaro lets the ball go out and is shoved down to the ground by Neymar. Alvaro is an experienced pro, 30 years of age. He had a famous tussle with Messi in a Barcelona derby between Espanyol and Barcelona. On, Benedetto's gone crashing to the ground again. Paredes has gone in on him. And now there's another. Neymar is sent off. 3 PSG players go. Alvaro and Neymar are still at it. What drama
before picking out the head of PSG's new goal machine. 7 goals in his last 5 outings. Any faint pre-match hopes from the visitors shattered as their winless league run against the champions look to stretch to 16 league matches. Steve Mandanda again left stranded. New world-class talent. Verratti played in Di Maria, and there was Kylian Mbappe to become the first player to score in 4 straight League Classiques. Tears for OM. Di Maria has created the moment again, combining, and Mbappe produced a sublime finish to a sensational team move. Starting at the feet of Keylor Navas, ending with